We are going to do the practical demonstration, and Gyanav as a counselor and Umesh Arora as a student. I want to learn English speaking those. Okay. So let us continue with.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Umesh Arora English Guru Academy. How may I assist you?
Thank you, sir. Actually, sir, I want to learn English speaking course.
Your English is weak.
Yes, sir. My English is very weak.
Okay. So you will start with grammar or
Yes, I want to start with grammar because my grammar portion is also very weak, sir.
so there will be you will be started from grammar.
Yes, I will start from there.
So
Firstly, one name.
firstly, Vanya will teach you.
Okay.
She will teach you grammar portion.
Okay.
And then she will teach and then Umesh Arora English Guru sir will teach you his speaking portion.
Okay.
There are so many exercises like pair work, group discussion, GD, and so many more.
Good. So, do you think that my English level is very weak actually? So, I will be able to speak English?
Yes, in 1 month you can speak English.
Okay, very good. And sir, can you please let me know what is the fee structure?
For 4 months there is 15,000